Hello everyone. I want you to distract drive. It's crazy Aunt Tina here. And over there is
Crazy Aunt Mitch. Mitchy Poo. She calls me sometimes.
I do.
And other times you don't want to know what she calls me.
I never call you anything, Dad. So today we are heading out to a place that some viewers recommended. I believe his name is Nick, and I'm sorry if I get this wrong. I believe her name is April. Well, I don't know if we should say exactly because we're only being mystery now. At any rate, it's near
A dam.
near a dam.
I'm not saying what dam. There's all kinds of dams.
I hope we have some success at the mystery dam. What do you have to say about the whole thing? Are you even awake yet, Mitchie? I see it.
Put it in a camera. Both cameras. They're both going, you know that.
Yes, I know. Oh, okay. We're here at the mystery dam. And Michelle is chomping at the bit, so I'm making her do this video to torture her.
Hurry up, lady.
All right. There are fishermen out here, so we don't want to bother them. The actual dam looks cool, but I'm not sure we can magnet fish directly from it. So right now we're just going to the dock off the boat ramp. It's neat to come someplace different, you know? Kind of exciting. Oh, and Michelle has her new magnet. We haven't named her yet. She's got to see how she feels and then... Do it. Let's see what you got with your first cast out. Got something. What is it? It's a bottle cap.
Correct. A very slimy one.
Yes.
Corona.
It's a Corona. Good
There's something
job.
else, I thought.
Oh, what's that?
So one of those little balls. I think it's from Shot. And that is part of a
Jig?
little bitty fishing lure, yeah.
You got something? Let me see.
One's supposed to look like a grasshopper, maybe? You see that?
Yeah.
Then there's another little one there.
Cool. I have my new 100-foot rope. I'm going to try to uncoil it without it pulling me in the water. What have I done? Stink mud. Oh, I got fishing line. The hook. Aha, I caught something.
Yeah, look at that one.
I got a bick. A baby bick. Not sure I can get this shot, but this is for neonraven. Because you're an inspiration. Sneak attack. Nothing. I think you snagged it.
I got a leader there.
Oh, cool.
Here,
I
lady.
have no idea. Jewelry? I think it's jewelry.
That's jewelry. Some kind.
I think
A
it's
hair
magnetic
thing.
jewelry. With magnets on the end of
Oh,
it.
sure. Like a bracelet?
Yeah. I'm going to wear it.
Okay.
Yeah, look. Magnetic. Stylish. Uh-huh. That's right.
You may call her princess.
Only if she only brings up princessy things.
Yeah. Well, she got something on that cast. So.
Good. What is
Ugly,
it?
yeah. It's a boat. It's nasty looking though. Look at that. It's nasty.
Nasty boat.
Nasty boat.
Let's see if she can do it this time. She can't quite get the sneak attack down. She's afraid of hurting her new magnet.
The precious. The precious.
It's better than Princess.
That's what I think. All right, Gollum. Told you I was gonna hit it.
A couple other little things. A little electrical cap thingy. Michelob light. And a half a hook. The Mitchie Rope-a-Dope. Oh,
It's a pink one.
look at that.
See, maybe she wants to be called Princess.
I think she might. That is cool.
Barely had it
Oh, the poor little kid who lost
by
it.
that little piece of metal there.
Oh,
Barely.
I think I have a steak knife.
That's an old one. You know what? I thought I had a theory on those.
What is your theory on the steak knife, dear?
You know, you hear, must be stabbed with a steak knife.
Oh.
You nut. See? It's seen better days, I do believe.
Can't tell.
Hey, I think it's time to go over there.
Okay, go ahead. I'll meet you over there.
I'm like,
All right, time to head to the fishing dock. The fishermen have left. Jill headed to the fishing dock over there. I'm on my way over there. She'll probably catch something before I get there, so I can't take a
rushed
video.
over here.
She said she was on something. What do you got? What is it? What is it? What is it? A knife! A knife! Oh, it's a steak knife!
Yeah, and a razor
And a
blade.
razor blade.
Yeah, was that Miller? Yeah, it is.
And Miller High Life.
Some kind of fishing lure and a screw. Oh, it's one of those that's got a propeller on it.
Bottle caps. What is it?
It's got the little propeller.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, what a haul.
Let's show the camera, Ben.
There's a bell. That's a little bell.
Yeah, probably a catfish bell with a different style.
Yep. There's a little bell.
Ding the bell.
Cool. Bottle cap, hooks. Yeah, on both sides. Oh,
That's a Miller Lite on that one. Haven't seen too many of those. There's a Heineken. And about 3 or 4 hooks.
More hooks. Hooks and caps and hooks. That's a hook. They're all kind of broken. There's a safety pin. Yeah. A snake.
See him?
What log?
That little bitty log that's like almost all the way in the
Oh my gosh, it looks poisonous.
Yeah, it does kind of.
Looks like a water moccasin or something bad.
Yeah. See this little bitty guy.
You stay over there, mister.
Oh, he will. Just a mess. I got like 4 or 5 hooks. I don't even know. There we go. But that part's a spinner. Nice and shiny. It should be good to use. And then there's that.
Do you want me to move the camera?
No, that's fine.
Budweiser on the Buttweiser. hooks, and a leader. Yep. I caught something with my sneak attack, but it's not anything good. But it is full of fishing line, so maybe there's something on the fishing line. Catfish bill.
At least a little head.
Oh, it's sparkly.
Is it?
It's a fancy jig.
Yeah.
It's a party going jig with little sparkles on it.
I was watching on a video where they used the small little jigs like that. Well, that's okay.
Okay, let's see. Got Corona, a little battery, a nut, several hooks. Lots of hooks. Hooks. Anyway, we fished, we got hot, we tried to go to a diner that was just packed. So we came down to this restaurant down here at the bottom of Lake Weir. Had excellent food. Very good. Now we are full, and it's hotter than blazes out here. I don't know how we're going to handle it. But I think we're going to go over to County Nature Park or something like that. We went there, it was a long time ago, and it was shut down due to COVID. So we're hoping it's open. We're going to check it out. Hopefully they have a place that might be a little, yeah, with a little cover. Because it's hot. So hot. Michelle was having problems with the carabiner and her magnet because it kept clamping onto the magnet, getting in the way. So we just tied a polymer knot on there and taped it up, and I think that's gonna work out great. Yeah. Now, this dock didn't pay off. There was nothing here. It was worth a try. We knew we'd be able to have it to ourselves, but if nobody's using it, then nobody's dropping anything into the water. Just got chased off this dock. No fishing apparently on this dock. Not even magnet fishing. So we paid $7 to get in here for nothing. And it's not like we were catching anything anyway. I guess since there's no fishing on this dock, then that would mean that it's not going to be any metal to find on this dock either. So on to the next place.
I appreciate you guys for understanding.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we want to follow the rules.